how to fix RBC Royal Bank app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, then give a fresh restart to your router, then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. You'll need to update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store and search for the app RBC. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in a device. Head towards the app RBC, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on delete app. Click on delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your app store, search for the app RBC. Once app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix RBC Royal Bank won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.